Greetings, everyone. This is Pam from African Ocean Homestead. It's been a while, I know, but I've been busy and went to the States for a little while, but I'm back. And I just want to update you on one of the projects we have going on here, the Zinamola group. Some of you may know that 2 years ago, we started a women's group to support women in their dreams and help them with their businesses. And they've been teaching us some things also. But Mama Sonia has been supporting the women in their latest endeavor, and the women of Zinamola. The group's name is Zinamola. It's a community group here in Paje, in the Ja area of Paje. And the women are starting a daycare center. So Mama Sonia has put together a short video clip, and those who are interested in supporting the women in their endeavors, please reach out to us. We also included some pictures, some things that we've done in the past. So I hope you enjoy, and thank you.
Good morning. This is Mama Sonia representing Zinamola Women's Group in Zanzibar, Africa. For this video, we have many plans, and one of our main plans is to build a daycare, and it's already started. This is what it's going to look like. This is the foundation that has to be filled now. We need some cement blocks, we need some sand, and we need sacks of cement to continue to build the walls. We would greatly appreciate any donation. Even one cement block donated would be appreciated, which costs 52 cents in US currency. So this is a wonderful thing because the women expressed, in our group of 21 ladies, expressed that they would like to work, but there's nobody to take care of their children. A lot of them have expressed, families in other states or other parts of the country too far away. So we came up with this situation to create a place for the children to come. They will be, nobody has to get paid because mothers will be working together on shifts, the ones that have children here. We thank you in advance for all your help.